Everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about a stock that is about to go crazy tomorrow and why y'all should keep it on your watch list. I'm also going to be answering some of you guys' questions like we always do here on this channel. Now, before we begin, again, do not forget to annihilate the like button on your way in. And also don't forget to click on that subscribe button along with that notification bell. That way you don't miss out on these videos, right? So let's begin right off the bat. Today was a pretty interesting day. It started out really slow, and then there was some news that happened in the middle of the day at around like 1, and the market just started chopping. All right, it got to this previous level right here, which we were pretty much in the same zone. I told y'all in the last video, which was I believe it was on Monday. I told y'all that we are back in between this level and that we're going to just chop in here. It's very slow, and I think I did mention that we're going to slowly go up here. I think I did. And right now, the way things are looking, the way the volume is so low, and even the VIX is dropping right now. It's it's tough to say because I'm looking at all of these different indices, and I think that we're just going to chop some more. Like if we check out forward slash at Q, which is Nasdaq. Nasdaq right now, I drew this as an alternative, as if like as the bullish alternative if we were not going to go lower, right? And it kind of did play out as this flag, and it's just going to chill in here. I think that we're not going to go too far off of this level. Next week after the 18th, then we may see some massive moves, right? But that's my honest thoughts on the overall markets. A continuation of more chop. So day trading is favored, right? Now, the stock that is about to go crazy tomorrow, that stock is AA. All right. And the reason why I want to share AA with y'all is because the stock does its own thing. All right. While the market has been in the turmoil and everything has just been going lower and lower, this one has been climbing steadily, just doing its own thing. Now, right now, the way it's looking, it looks like it wants to go parabolic. It does. And the reason why I also think so is because of this. If you go on the 5 and you zoom in right over here, you can see what it pretty much did today. It provided a day trading, maybe swing trading opportunity from right here, right? You see where the money started flowing in. This was right when that news hits. The news hits here with the SPY, and then there was the chop, and then the continuation up with the SPY, and then along with like other tech stock. And this one also kind of followed that same trend. It just kept pushing higher and higher. I think that it's going to not just go to 79. I think that it's going to pop all the way up towards like $81. 81 exactly. And the reason why I say that is also because of if you go on the weekly and you go all the way back over here. We got these previous buyers which probably want to exit as soon as they get the chance to break even. These individuals are right here. Right there. Okay, maybe that says 80. All right. And also there's some individuals up here, but somewhere in this range. And the market can be kind of generous. Like it could pop up just to get through that level. That right there. That way these individuals between 80 and $82 can exit. And if it does get there, these individuals want to exit, and it will cause the stock to actually flush down, and that will provide an opportunity for shorts. So definitely watch this one. There is an opportunity to be made. If it opens up here, then there's an opportunity to the upside in this region, followed by an immediate flush, like a pop, and then they drop all the way down. All right, that's what I'm seeing with this stock right now. Okay, so that's why you should keep it on your watch list. Now let's talk about you guys' stocks of interest. The first one that we're going to address. Somebody mentioned VIA. All right. And I believe the reason why you mentioned it, let me see the 4 hour. Yeah, the reason why you've mentioned it is probably because of the bullish pennant, which is on there. I think it's on there. Yeah, it is on there. Yeah, so there's a bullish pennant right here. The contracts though are a little bit weird. Let's look at those contracts. Let's go to trade. Yeah, the contracts are very very weird. Let's look at the March. Yeah, I mean not the best. It got some open interest on here, but the volume is just non-existent. So would I personally be trading this thing? Probably not. Um, does it have the potential to run to like 1250? I definitely think it does, and retest these previous highs right here. All right, these are the previous highs, and it could get there, and maybe earnings might help out the stock to push it up there. All right, so that's my thoughts on it. I'm not bearish on it with the way it's looking. It's behaving. It's just like Carlin in here until the very end, probably next week. All right, before it starts running. Now, another stock that we're going to talk about. Somebody asked me to look at Space. All right, and this is Space right here. And Space had a pretty good day yesterday. It popped out of this. I want to say falling wedge. It popped out of this thing. Actually, no, it's just a flag. All right. It started running, and now it dropped again. Is this thing done? I think it's just going to consolidate. It's not gonna go very far. Like everybody who made money on here took their money off today, and the people who were late are probably gonna take their money off again tomorrow, and it's gonna drop to like $9.50 and just keep rolling over here. I don't have high hopes for Space until earnings. Now with this one, which way again for all of you who may be interested with earnings, right? Where is this thing going to go? Earnings is on I think Tuesday, on the 22nd after hours. All right, so it's next week on a Wednesday, I believe, or Tuesday, one of the 2 days. All right, now I think I think that I think that it will be dangerous to have puts through earnings. I definitely think it will be dangerous to have puts through earnings. If you cannot resist, right, you can go small to the. Again, I'm just providing my very honest opinion on this one. This is earning season, and some people actually want this information. So I think that it has the potential to go all the way up to like $14 through earnings. I think. All right, it's either that or it's gonna be an option killer where the price goes nowhere and it stays at the same price. That's what I think with Space, with the way it's been beaten down for quite some time. Another stock that moved that way is Airbnb, and Airbnb I think a good reaction today. Wait, what was it? Airbnb? I don't think it was Airbnb. It was another stock. Dash. I think it's Dash. Yeah, it is Dash. Yeah, it's Dash. It's Dash. Yep, and there goes that reaction right there. Yeah. So this one got some more room towards like $130. Again, it's very dangerous to short these stocks that are very very beaten down for quite some time. Again, that's why I think that Space may have a massive move. Different industry, but just the chart setup itself, like how much lower do you want the stock to go? Just ask yourself that question. So that's my thoughts on that one. Now the next one, and the last one that we're going to talk about in today's video, we're going to talk about S. All right, now with S, I think that it just needs more time to consolidate, in my opinion, and definitely watch this one for a break of 47.50. I see an ascending triangle on there. It's not the most perfect, and the reason why is because of that wick right there, which is kind of annoying, and it's just in the way, right? But if you draw it from like the after hours, it's there. It's there. It's almost there. I can't be bullish or bearish. Well, I can be bullish. It's looking bullish. It wants to be bullish, right? But you just have to wait until it gets out. And when it gets out, then it has room. It definitely has room to these regions right here. So definitely keep this one also on your watch. It's a good question for the person who put that in the comment section. All right, good question. And that is the end of the video. Again, do not forget to annihilate the like button for the YouTube algorithm. As always, it helps the channel a lot. It allows more people to get this knowledge as well. Also, if you are new to the channel and you haven't done so already, definitely click on subscribe and click on the notification bell along with all notifications. That way you don't miss out on these videos. If you would like to be part of our private Discord community, you can find that as the first link in the description of the video below. If you are not following us on social media, you can find me at Paul Nguma and at Better Knowledge Lab on Instagram and on Twitter. And lastly, if all of this is brand new to you, if you're interested in getting started in the stock market, I'll have some very basic step-by-step directions in the description of the video below. Step 1 to step 3. It only takes about 15 minutes or less for you to get signed up with all the tools you need to start trading immediately. You can also get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850 right after signing up with Webull using the third link in the description of the video below. What's good, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Paul Nguma with Better Knowledge Lab, where we trade patterns and patterns only. And I will see all of you in the next video.